Hello everyone. Now we are going to talk about half equations for negative ions. So as you can see, we talked about the diatomic molecules in the last lesson and all halogens are diatomic. We know that now. So if you have a negative ion, for example, Cl1 minus, now remember the rule. What I said that negative, if positive is gain, consider this negative charge, guys, this negative charge as loss of electrons. So if there is a negative charge, meaning it needs to lose the electron, and if you consider chloride ion as a person, and if a person is losing something, that person is not going to keep that thing next to himself, but it will keep it away. So therefore, this chloride ions keep the electrons away from it, which is on the other side of the arrow. So negative means loss, and this is loss. So therefore, oxidation, oxidation. Remember, oil rig. So oxidation is loss, reduction is gain. So this is my oxidation. And how do we know that? Because there is a negative charge on my chloride ion. And if there is a negative charge, meaning electrons are lost. And if they are lost on the other side of the arrow. So remember that. Now the second thing comes is that this chlorine is a diatomic molecule. So there is a same reaction taking place at the same time with the another chloride ion. And you can see that chloride ion will lose the electron on the other side as well. And then the most interesting part is that we need to add these two equations. And the reason being chloride ion making a covalent bond, changing into a diatomic molecule Cl2. You add these two equations. So one chloride ion from here, one chloride ion from here makes two chloride ion. These two combine to make a diatomic molecule, diatomic molecule. And these two electrons combine to make two electrons here. Now, you can also write the same equations, but writing the electron in a short form, which is this one. But this is actually equal to 2 electrons, right? So that's is same for all the halogens. So now the major problem that people face is with the oxide ion O2 minus, and that O2 minus, because it is 2 minus, meaning it will have to lose 2 electrons, and therefore this is going to be O oxygen atom. The same with this oxide ion, and that is going to be oxygen atom and 2 electrons on the other side. And I will now add these two equations, making 2 oxide ions, and because these two are diatomic, they make two like O2, and we add two electrons, making it 4 electrons. Now remember, we need to write, so basically you have got these two making O2, which is a diatomic molecule, but the ions cannot be diatomic. You will have to write a big 2 next to the ion. Okay, ask me a question if you have any. Otherwise, I hope this is making sense.